स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू ऑल। सो जिसका हम बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे थे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द IPM प्रोग्राम 2021, so we got the notification about the IIM Indore, yet only the exam date we got. Okay, so IIM Rohtak, जो कि हम सोच रहे थे IIM इंदौर से पहले एग्जाम कंडक्ट कर लेगा, so here we come up with all the important dates with respect to the IPM 2021. So guys, we'll talk in detail about the IIM Rohtak. Okay, what will be the paper pattern, the selection process, eligibility criteria, and all the important dates, even the fee structure. Okay guys, so stay tuned with me throughout this video. So friends, why only IPM? Because integrated program in management, that means after bachelor degree you don't wanna give any MBA entrance exams. Okay, if you wanna pursue the master programs, so bachelors के बाद का झंझट छोड़ ही दो guys. After 12th, prepare for the IPM and get directly enter into the IIMs. So कौन कौन से IIM हमारे पास? IIM इंदौर, रोहतक, बोध गया, रांची and जम्मू, and also the Nirma University, which is private one. So let's talk about IIM Rohtak. And friends, subscribe to our new YouTube channel named Manoeuvre BBA Entrance, because it is very specific to all BBA entrance exams preparations. You will get the updates with respect to the IPMAT, NPAT, SET, CRIST, JAT, UGAT, IPCET, St. Xavier's and all other BBA entrance exams. So if you are preparing for any or even for one or more, you can get the best coaching for all BBA entrance preparation from the Manoeuvre Education. Call our board line number 8828581455. So friends, all the link I mentioned in the description, kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So friends, if you are preparing for IPM 2021 and wanna join the crash course, then guys, call our board line number or visit our website, because you will get all the basic concepts, all the fundamental concepts, and you will learn to the googly shortcuts. These shortcut tricks which will develop your quick swallowing technique use. You will get access for the PDF files, so that means you will get lot of data for the practice purpose. The crash course will run up to 80 hours. That is the marathon of lectures and the doubt classes. All your doubts will be solved in the live lectures. And in live lectures, you will get all the strategies, the topper strategies, you will get the guidance, mentorship, and thoroughly cognitive effects which will definitely boost your preparations. The third one, there will be clusters of 5,000 questions for the practice purpose. And this data is enough for the practice, because friends, if you talk about the entrance exam, then the thing which should be elevated continuously, and that is nothing but the practice, practice and practice. You have to elevate all your practices with respect to the concept, even to learn shortcut tricks, even to put shortcut tricks, and even to get the answer quickly. Fourth one, you can evaluate yourself, because you will get access for the topic test and even the full length mock test. So topic test with respect to each particular section, and the full length mock test, that will be complete replica of your IPM 2021. And the fifth one, you will get the overall skill development. That means you can develop your personality, you will learn all the development skills, so you will get overall guidance with respect to all these parameters of your selection process. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just call our board line number, that is 8828581455. So now let's talk about the IIM Rohtak, all the important dates and all those notifications which we should be aware of. So here we are on official website iimrohtak.ac.in. Just come here on the program section, select IPM and about IPM. So to get all details about the IPM, click here IPM admission 2021. And to know the important dates, guys, click here. So these all are the dates. Online application opens February 15, 2021. Last date for submission of online application up to 4th May 2021. So IPM Aptitude Test 2021 will be held on 12th June on Saturday 2 PM to 4 PM. Now thereafter, announcement of call for online personal interview 3rd week of July. That means friends, यहाँ आपका रिजल्ट डिले हो सकता है, बिकॉज अगर बात करें स्टेट बोर्ड एंड CBSE बोर्ड, देन योर एग्जाम विल बी हेल्ड इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल टू मे. सो कुछ स्टेट की एग्जाम और भी डिले हो सकती है. सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपका टारगेट है टू एंटर इनटू IIM, देन कुछ भी हो, चाहे ये आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम के बीच में आ जाए या फिर बोर्ड एग्जाम के बाद, आपको प्रिपरेशन अभी से स्टार्ट करना है गाइस. So very first one, develop the self-confidence in you, because unless and until you can't start your preparation. So guys, dates मैं यहाँ बता दे रहा हूँ आपको. Being a self-confident, being a strong determinant, and focus on your preparation. So ultimately you will get the success at the end. Online personal interview 4th week of July, announcement of selection list 2nd week of August, and 1st week of September onwards your academic session will begins. So these all are the important dates, guys. Now we'll talk about all the admission policies, all the criterias. So as we discussed before, okay, minimum 60% in standard 10th and 12th, maximum age limit 20 years of age on 31st July 2021. For SC, ST and PWD category, minimum 55% required, and maximum age limit for them also 20 years. Now selection procedures, so that means you have to first fill the online registration form. The fees is 3890. Registration date is 15th Feb and closing date is 4th May. Stage 2 IPM Aptitude Test 2021. So aptitude test to be conducted on 12th June 2021 from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. This is the paper pattern: quantitative ability 40 questions, logical reasoning 40 questions, and verbal ability 40 questions. Each question will carry 4 marks. For each incorrect answer you will lose 1 mark. Online personal interview, so it will be done in the 3rd week of July. Depend on your scores, you will get the call letters. Now this is the final selection procedure. These all are the parameters having the respective weightage. So 45% weightage for the aptitude test, 15% weightage for your personal interview, and 40% weightage for your 10th and 12th academic records. So this is all the details about the IPM 2021 with respect to the IIM Rohtak. Now we'll talk about the fee structure. Then click here. So this is the fee structure, guys, for all respective years, and also the other charges and deposits. So guys, be connected with our YouTube channel. We'll make another video on how to fill the registration form. You have to click here. So the page will open and you have to fill all the respective details and you have to upload all the documents. So this is the important note. Kindly go through it and thereafter fill all the details accordingly. Okay guys, enter the CAPTCHA and submit. So guys, this is all from the today's video. If you want to join our online program, call or WhatsApp on this number or simply visit at manoeuvreedu.com/BB-entrance to get the recent updates with respect to all BB entrance exams and even with respect to the IPM 2021. Be connected with our YouTube channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. If you want to join our classroom preparations, you can join us at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So guys, add all these boosters, the books, mock tests, sectional course if you are lacking in any particular section, full course, and also the live lectures. So that's it from today's video, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.